Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and sis, in today's video we are doing a wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Gorgius Hair, and y'all, I'm super excited about this because this is supposed to be like the TikTok infamous wig or whatever, just very quick and easy. So yeah, we're gonna jump into it, but before we do, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. Okay y'all, so again, I received this wig from Gorgius Hair, and I believe I'm saying that right. It came in this box right here, like very pretty packaging. Like this box is super cute. I kind of messed it up opening it up, but yeah, super cute. Anyways girl, so let's get into it. Girl, and the box is sturdy. Okay, anyway. So here is the hair itself in the box. Again y'all, the packaging is very nice. The bag, the logo, everything is very cute. It comes with a wig cap and then a bag again with their logo on it. And let's see, it looks just like a, okay. Ooh. You have some clips, much needed, and then what is these little pins or whatever. You as well have, girl, I want to say that this is like an edge control, but y'all know we can't do nothing with these with 2 inches, so we're just gonna leave that there. And then we have our little baby hair brush. Girl, I'm always in need of one of these, so that's nice, very cute. So let's get into this wig. Again y'all, the bag, the packaging is just super cute. They did their thing with the packaging. But yeah, let me see. Ooh, she's feeling soft already. Let's get into it. Okay girl, so here she is. She's looking nice. She feels really nice, super soft. And yeah, I don't remember what it is. I think it's like fluffy bang. Girl, don't quote me, but I will have it in the description box, and or I will have it once we jump further into the video. You already know how I do. So let's get into the construction of the wig. So as you can see here, it has 2 combs, one on either side, and then it is a comb at the bottom. And then we do have a band, and no, it's not adjustable, it is on there. Oh y'all, speaking of adjustable, we as well have the adjustable straps or whatever. So yeah, that's basically it. This is a wig that is just super simple. As you guys can see one more time, it has the bangs or whatever. And then basically it's gonna be really easy. We're just gonna fluff her out. Let me show you what it looks like in the center. Yeah, that's what it looks like in the center. So this is definitely about to be like an easy install. So yeah, let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, sis, so just like I thought, this was definitely an easy install, girl. This literally took me 5 minutes or less, and we have us a hairstyle. Like, get into it. So yeah, girl, let me turn around so you can see the back. Okay, sis, so that was the bag, and let's get into it. So again, y'all, this is from gorgius.com, and I hope I'm saying that right. Let me scroll up. It says that this is their Bouncy Shaggy Wig in the length of 14 inches, and it goes 10, 12, 14. So 14, this is their longest length. It says the hair color is natural, and it's low maintenance, ready-made wig, human virgin hair that lasts 3 to 5 years, and that's about it. And it says the model is wearing 14 inches as well. Now I will show you pictures of what it looks like. Okay, I'm looking. Okay, so I will show you pictures of what the model looks like and what mine's look like. It kind of looks a little different, but not too much. I think I probably should have let mine's like dry a little bit more, just so I can have that volume that she has or whatever. I'm just looking at it, just so I can have that volume that she has. Girl, let me see. But y'all, when I say this hair is like super soft, this hair is super nice. So I don't know how I would get it to like be big and just, you know, voluminous, because the hair is just soft. But yeah, so I will give this a big head friendly pass. It does fit a little snug, so if you do have a bigger head, do be aware that it is going to fit a little snug but not too tight. It's really just the perfect fit, given that it does have combs, and it is going to be easy for it to slide back and slide off, because there's no lace holding it down or whatever. So you kind of expect it to be a little snug just because you don't want it to move. If somebody pulls on it this way, you're good, but the other way, like when I was putting on my top, like it did kind of go back. So yeah, if you want to use the combs, use them just so you can have a little bit more security. As well, use the band. I opted out of using the band and the combs altogether. The combs hurt my head, and the band just never works out for me. So with that being said, but I still feel like the wig is secure though. But yeah, so I will give it a big hair friendly pass. The texture of this hair, y'all, again, the hair is just super soft, sis. Like, the hair is super soft, girl. I had already knew that it was going to be soft hair when I took it out the bag and felt it through the fishnet. I'm like, man, this hair is definitely soft. So I do see why it will last you 3 to 5 years, because the quality of this hair is really nice. The curl pattern is really nice. You will receive a little bit of shedding, not a lot of shedding, nothing alarming at all. And I typically tell everybody that with curly hair, expect it to shed a little bit, because you're going to put product through it, you're going to put your fingers through it, you're going to manipulate it. So just kind of expect for some hair to come out. Literally, y'all, this is all the hair that came out. So nothing alarming at all, and you kind of just expect something to come out. The hair is kind of layered just a little bit, nothing drastic, but I kind of like the small layers just so you can make it as big as possible, and it just has that layered look or whatever. Y'all, I did get back on camera maybe 20 minutes after I put the product in, just because I wanted it to dry. I could have just very much so went in with the blow dryer, but I just didn't feel like doing that. But yeah, so maybe that's why mine can't get as big, because y'all, when I say the hair is soft, it's typically harder to have soft hair like stay as far as like the volume, because it's just so soft. Y'all see it, like just soft and bouncy. Like, girl, the hair is pretty, and the curl pattern is definitely bomb. But yeah, girl, it will take some time for me to like get used to it. I never really get used to wearing my hair like this. Even when wearing my natural hair, I never really wore like the braid out with the bangs, but it looks good on everybody else. But then when it comes to me, I'm just like, I don't know. Like, I don't know if it fits me, but this is definitely a cute wig. But yeah, girl, I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.